Hey everyone, and welcome back to Asha Tech Guide. Have you ever looked at your laptop and seen this tiny little port, maybe with a lightning bolt next to it, and wondered what on earth it is? Well, that's the Thunderbolt port, and today we're diving deep into what it is, why it's so incredibly powerful, and whether you actually need one on your next device. Stick around because this little port is a real game changer, and if you enjoy learning about the tech you use every day, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech tips. So, what exactly is Thunderbolt? At its core, Thunderbolt is a super high-speed connectivity standard that was co-developed by Intel and Apple. Now, I know what you're thinking. It looks exactly like a USB-C port, right? And you're not wrong. They share the same physical shape. But don't let that fool you. While all Thunderbolt ports are USB-C, not all USB-C ports are Thunderbolt. Think of it like this. A Thunderbolt port is like a USB-C port on steroids. It's much faster and way more versatile. The magic behind it is that Thunderbolt cleverly combines two powerful technologies, PCI Express or PCIe for data and DisplayPort for video. This unique combination means it can transfer massive amounts of data, send a higher resolution video signal, and deliver power to charge your devices all at the same time through a single compact cable. It's the ultimate one port to rule them all solution. Alright, let's talk about the numbers, because this is where it gets really impressive. Just how fast is it? The latest versions, Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4, boast mind-blowing speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second. To put that into perspective, that's roughly 4 times faster than the common USB 3.0 standard and 8 times faster than USB 3.0. This means you could transfer a full-length 4K movie in under 30 seconds. This incredible bandwidth opens up a world of possibilities. You can connect lightning-fast external SSDs and work on huge files directly from the drive with no lag. You can hook up multiple high-resolution monitors, like two 4K displays or even a single 8K display without breaking a sweat. And for the power users out there, you can even connect high-end peripherals like an external GPU or eGPU to turn your thin and light laptop into a legitimate gaming or video editing powerhouse. Another killer feature of Thunderbolt is something called daisy chaining. This is a fancy term for connecting multiple devices in a line, one after the other, using just a single Thunderbolt port on your computer. So you could plug an external drive into your laptop, then plug a 4K monitor into that drive, and then maybe another Thunderbolt device into the monitor. It declutters your desk and simplifies your entire setup, which is a huge win for anyone who hates cable mess. Thunderbolt 4 even improves on this by allowing for more complex hub and dock setups, creating a truly powerful single-cable workstation. Plus, Thunderbolt 4 mandates a minimum power delivery of 15 watts for accessories and ensures that at least one port on a computer can be used for charging the laptop itself. So, the big question is, do you actually need Thunderbolt? Well, it depends on what you do. If you're a creative professional, like a video editor, a 3D artist, or a music producer working with massive project files and multi-track audio, then yes, Thunderbolt is an absolute game changer. The speed and bandwidth will dramatically improve your workflow. The same goes for hardcore gamers who want to use an eGPU for maximum performance, or data scientists who need to process enormous datasets. For these users, Thunderbolt is practically a necessity. However, if you're an everyday user who primarily uses a laptop for web browsing, sending emails, watching Netflix, and writing documents, then Thunderbolt is more of a nice-to-have feature rather than an essential one. A standard USB-C port will handle all your basic needs just fine. How can you tell if your device has it? Thunderbolt ports are usually found on more premium laptops, especially MacBooks, Dell XPS models, and other high-end. The easiest way to check is to look for the small lightning bolt icon printed right next to the USB-C port. If you see that symbol, congratulations, you've got Thunderbolt. So, to wrap it all up, Thunderbolt equals incredible speed, amazing versatility, and a whole lot of power packed into one tiny port. It simplifies your connections and unlocks performance that was once only possible with a desktop computer. Do you have a Thunderbolt port on your laptop? How do you use it? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your setups. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you resubscribed to Asha Tech Guide for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.